Hi, biologists. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. You are working on Unit 3 revisions, and you are currently on Mini QPA 2. Let me share my screen with you to show you what Mini QPA 2 consists of. So Mini QPA 2, the Mini QPA 1, we focus more on the body systems. Now we're focusing on the different macromolecules. So this was supposed to be a lab. So I have added the information to allow you to dissect the data. So this is a lab that we performed in class before all of this COVID stuff was happening months ago. And so we have 4 different chemical solutions. We have burette solution, Sudan ore solution, Benedict solution, and iodine solution. So each of these solutions reacts with only one macromolecule. So one macromolecule that we talked about. And you have your macromolecule list here. So nucleic acid, protein, complex carb, simple carb, and lipid. So our mission is to tell which chemical we can use to test for each macromolecule. So which one of these 4 chemicals test for which one of these macromolecules. And we're going to do that because we are able to use specific substances, specific foods that we know are really rich in a specific type of macromolecule. So for example, if you look at vegetable oil, you can decide which of these 5 macromolecules it is representative of. And same thing for glucose sugar. So this is just regular table sugar. You have what the chemical structure looks like here for your convenience in a picture as well. Bread flour. So what is bread flour? And egg white. So each one of these macromolecules is only going to be used once. So vegetable oil cannot be a protein as well as glucose sugar. They're not both going to be the same thing. And as you notice, there's only 4 foods here, 4 different substances that we put into our body, and 5 different macromolecules. So one isn't going to be used. So once you do that, you have the procedure and materials listed here. This isn't something you need to worry about because we're not performing this in class, but I provided you with the data below. So with the data below, you find that lipid reacts with this, with Sudan, and same thing for the rest of them. So from that information, you should be able to tell me which solution reacts with which macromolecule. So which macromolecule is it? Show us that it reacts with, that it is indicative of. So it's present, and that's going to be important for our next, our final QPA. So which macromolecule reacts with which chemical solution, because it's going to basically reveal to us which macromolecules are present if we see that reaction happening. Good luck.